Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. This is a little video on the Caucasian spinach. Now it's the 11th of April and we've had some nice weather this week, which has made everything grow really quickly. Now this Caucasian spinach here, this is 2 years old. Like you can see, it's in the greenhouse. I have got more outside, but I'm filming this one because I just wanted to show you all these seedlings. Now they are from this plant here and that plant there. That plant there is 1 year old. That grew last year. Yeah, so I just want to show you all these seedlings. If you can see all these, I have pulled some out. I've been thinning them out for the chickens, but they're all across here, all around there. I've got peas trying to grow them. I will take the Caucasian seedlings out to give the peas a chance, but just wanted to show you before I do it. And they're all down here. They're also down here as well. Now this is in the doorway where I've been treading. There was a lot more. Now I'm not worried about it seeding everywhere, as the seedlings pull out very easily and the chickens love them. I guess some people may find it invasive, but as I'll show you later in the video, there's hardly any seedlings in the ground outdoors, and as you can see, he likes it in the greenhouse. Just see if there's any more I can show you anywhere else. There's these ones, these grew in here last year, self-seeded in the pot. See if there's any outside to show you. Right, we're outside. Here's my Caucasian spinach here. There's a big lump of it there. And there's some down there growing. I just wanted to show you this as well. This is seeded from last year in this in here. This is all seedlings. And there's one there that's seeded itself. And there's lots in these pots as well. These ones here. Some there. That's tree spinach. So that's tree spinach. It has a pinky middle. And that's the Caucasian spinach. It's in all these pots here. Oh, this is in this is under a massive apple tree. That's the apple tree, and the sun comes from over there and goes round, so it's pretty shaded here. It gets sunshine from about this time of year. It's from about 4 o'clock until about 6:30, so it's not very long. It's got some dappled sun on it now. Yes, just wanted to show you that. The Caucasian spinach. Just one thing I wanted to add. It is hardly seeded in the ground on the actual floor. Now, I do have pigeons in the garden, and the chickens do get over occasionally, so whether they've ever eaten it, I don't know, but yeah, there's not many. In fact, I can't see any at all at the moment. Oh, there's one. This one here. That's one there. Yeah, so it's mostly in the pots and in the greenhouse. So I just wanted to add that because I've had a few people ask me if it spreads uncontrollably, and in my opinion, no. Not in my garden anyway. Okay, thanks again for watching. Thank you, bye-bye. If you want more info on this incredible plant, please check out my playlist titled Hablitzia Tamnoides, Caucasian Spinach. There's lots more videos on there, from seeding to winter care. Thank you, bye-bye.